Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest Scan Tool Network video. In this video we are in an Audi and we have an airbag light on this vehicle, and we're going to show you a short demonstration of the Autel MK808 kit. 808 kit should I say. Now the kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll also put a link to the latest blog post for this package where you can find out a lot more information on the tool, but for now, as you can see, we've got the airbag light showing on the dashboard there, so we're going to use this tool to do a short demonstration and hopefully reset that airbag. So we've got the kit plugged into the diagnostic port, as you can see here, and we're going to click on to diagnostics, and we're going to go through and select our vehicle. So we'll just select European, and we need to find Audi cars. There we go, Audi. Okay, so you can either select your vehicle automatically, or you manually select your vehicle, or you can manually select the system. I think that's probably the easiest thing to do. I'll go to control unit, so we're looking to find the airbag system. It's not on the first screen. There it is, number 15, airbag. So click onto airbag. And we'll go trouble codes. So it's giving us one trouble code here, B100B1B. Driver thorax airbag igniter resistance too high. So what had actually happened is we'd found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. We've since put that back together, but obviously we still have the airbag light on, so we need to basically reset that. To do that, we can just click on to clear DTC right here. It's telling us ignition on but engine off. Well, we've got the engine running. I don't really think it matters in some cases, so I'm just going to click yes in any case, and then everything will be deleted. Are you sure you wish to continue? So when I click yes, just keep an eye on the airbag light. There we go, it's gone off, and now we've got no fault codes detected. So the tool has worked. It's worked a charm, and it does this on a lot of different vehicles, a lot of different systems. You can see there's pages and pages of systems here. But it's a fantastic kit. I'd recommend it to anybody who was actually thinking about it. But this is in an Audi. Obviously, it works on so many vehicles. These are just the European vehicles, but it works on the Americans, the Asians, the Chinese, everything. But it is available, as I say, at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to where you can pick this up in the description below the video, and also I'll put a link to the latest blog post on this tool, which gives you a lot more information about the package itself. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.